Want to block adult 18+ videos on YouTube and make YouTube safer? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to hide mature content on YouTube using official settings. So watch till the end. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Now tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the Settings option. Here, select General Settings. Now scroll down a little and you will find an option called Restricted Mode. Simply turn on Restricted Mode. If you are using a new Gmail account, the Restricted Mode option may not appear right away. In that case, try using an older Gmail account or continue using the new Gmail account on YouTube for a few days. After some time, the Restricted Mode option may become available. That's it. Now YouTube will help filter mature and age-restricted content from your account. If you are using YouTube on computer, the steps are almost the same. Open YouTube, click on your profile icon, then turn on Restricted Mode. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.